Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your car struggles to shift gears or completely loses power while accelerating. You check the OBD-II scanner and it shows code P0944. This means your transmission lost hydraulic pressure, causing serious shifting problems. If ignored, this could lead to complete transmission failure. In this video, I'll explain what P0944 means, where to find the key components, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0944? DTC P0944 stands for hydraulic pressure loss during shift. This means that the transmission's hydraulic system failed to maintain pressure while shifting, leading to delayed or failed gear engagement. Common symptoms of P0944. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or delayed gear shifting, complete transmission failure, no movement at all, slipping gears or sudden loss of power. Transmission stuck in limp mode, check engine light or transmission warning light. You check the OBD-II scanner and it shows code P0944. If ignored, this could lead to complete transmission failure. Sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose and fix P0944, you need to locate these key components. Transmission oil pump location, found inside the transmission case near the torque converter. Function, provides the necessary hydraulic pressure for shifting. Pressure control solenoid location, located on the valve body inside the transmission. Function, controls fluid pressure for smooth gear changes. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors pressure and sends data to the TCM, transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually found under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Function, manages pressure regulation and gear shifting. What causes P0944? Here are the most common causes of this code. 1. Transmission oil pump failure, weak or damaged pump. 2. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causing pressure loss. 3. Faulty pressure control solenoid, not maintaining proper pressure. 4. Clogged or leaking hydraulic lines, blocking fluid flow. 5. Internal transmission, damage, worn out seals, gaskets, or clutch packs. How to fix P0944? Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Locate the dipstick, if available, and check fluid level and color. If low or dirty, refill or replace it with manufacturer-recommended ATF. Step 2. Inspect the transmission oil pump. If the pump isn't delivering enough pressure, it may need replacement. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for solenoid-related faults. Step 4. Check for hydraulic leaks. Inspect hoses, seals, and gaskets for leaks. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Take a short drive to see if the issue returns. If you see P0944, your transmission is losing hydraulic pressure, which could lead to serious damage. Check the fluid, pump, solenoids, and pressure sensor to avoid costly repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0754. Shift solenoid A, intermittent P0755, shift solenoid B malfunction. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.